The Galaxy Note 8 tops Samsung's already excellent S8 and S8 Plus with dual cameras and a boatload of stylus tricks. It's the most feature-rich Android phone you can buy. Despite having a smaller capacity than the Note 7, battery life was great. The Note 8 lasted a little over 17 hours in our looping video drain tests. Compare that to 16 hours for the S8 and 18 for the S8 Plus. It also kept enough charge to get through a busy day, even when used for navigation and endless photos at back-to-back lighting weekends. Some activities and settings will drain the battery faster, like streaming music, navigating with Google Maps and setting the iris scanner to read your eyeballs without swiping first on the lock screen. Use the two rear cameras to take beautiful, memorable portraits of two weddings and some gorgeous mountain scenery. See some in the gallery below. Live focus, what Samsung calls its portrait mode, does come with some rules. You have to be at least 4 feet, 1.2 meters, away from your subject, and the lighting has to be right. If it's not, the phone will say so, and won't take the shot. Indoor live focus shots were sometimes, unintentionally, out of focus.